Welcome to the Renewable Resource Atlas of Saudi Arabia. This short Atlas tutorial video explains what data is available for free and what additional, more detailed data can be purchased. We also have a full Atlas tutorial video accessible from the Help menu. All users can access monthly average resource data from solar and wind monitoring stations for free through the Maps and Graphs menu item, or simply by clicking Launch the Atlas. We have added some new data access options to the Atlas for purchase for solar resource data to help you access the exact data you are looking for more efficiently. As explained on the main data options page, the paid options are for daily and hourly average solar data, and prices can be obtained by selecting the data of interest and submitting a quote request. Prices are moderate, and the funds collected will be reinvested to supplement station operations in order to maintain the high quality of data. As you can see in the Data Options menu, there are two options for accessing solar and wind data, depending on what you want to do with the data. First, if you simply want to download data to use in your own analysis, a CSV file with the data of interest can be obtained with the Download Data option. This is a new single point of access for all data downloads, whether wind or solar, monthly, daily, or hourly. Free and paid items are marked accordingly. Alternatively, if you want to explore daily resolution data through the Atlas's online mapping and graphing tools, use the subscription to Atlas to gain access to this data for a 1-month viewing period. Note that if you already have an account for the Atlas, or simply want to view free monthly data in the Atlas, you can skip the subscription option and launch directly into the Atlas through the Maps and Graphs menu item. Now, let's explore the download and subscription to Atlas options in more detail. If you want to download data files, click on the Data Options menu and select the Download Data option. Remember, this link is the link to use whether you want free monthly solar or wind data, daily, hourly solar data for which there's a charge for most users. This download page also allows free downloading of monitoring station locations and modeled solar or wind data for a location of interest. Complete the menus to note the exact station and parameters of interest and which temporal resolution you want. Pricing is based on the amount of data requested. Thus, the longer the date range of data you select and the more parameters and stations requested, the higher the price will be. Certain discounts and payment exemptions are available for verified Saudi Arabian universities and other organizations such as educational and research and governmental organizations. All users should still submit a quote request to initiate the process, and K.A.CARE will determine if any discounts or exemptions apply. We offer a pre-selected set of basic parameters, which is more economical than selecting multiple parameters individually as in the custom option. If you choose the custom option for parameters or stations, be sure to click on the exact parameters or stations you want in the list below. When finished, click Add to Order, then View Order. To proceed with the quote request, click Login if you are not logged in already. Once logged in, press Continue, and when prompted, enter a short description of your own project in English or Arabic for which you are requesting data and how you plan to use the requested data. K.A.CARE will keep this information confidential. This information is crucial to help us continue to meet our users' needs and identify areas for improvement. Click Add to Order or Request Quote and you will be sent your quote via email, along with instructions. For data requiring payment, if you would like to proceed, follow the email instructions for payment and for submitting the signed agreement on data use. On the Data Options menu, you can always return to the Order Status option, which lists all of your orders. Any orders that say Available can be downloaded by clicking the Download button. Now let's discuss Atlas subscriptions. The Atlas subscription option is what to choose if you would like to have access for a 1-month viewing period to map and graph daily data for selected solar monitoring stations. This option gives you an easy way to explore data online, but it will not allow you to download data or view the values of individual data points. The subscription is only for daily average data, not for hourly average data. We offer a pre-selected set of parameters. Click on Select Station for Subscription. Again, you're required to log in to the Atlas in order to receive a quote. Once you receive a quote, you will follow the same process as for data downloads. This completes the introduction to the data options in the Atlas. We encourage you to explore and use the Contact Us button to ask questions or provide feedback. Enjoy the Atlas!